Alright, y'all, we got an unboxing. I already unboxed it. We had some weird packaging. I think this is hay or whatever. I don't know. No, whatever. But we got a new shoe coming in. Got it from a seller out of my own city, the A. So let's get into it. Got some Carmines. No receipt. That's the original bag or whatever. But yeah. It's nice. This shoe is nice. I mean, I know it's only, I don't think it's a year old yet, but yeah, it's nice. Only 150. What a steal. What a steal. I thought it was gonna be at least one scuff mark on here, at least one for 150. Hold on. Shit, I would have sold these joints for at least 220. In this condition? Oh. I mean, the bottoms aren't really too bad. They're not bad. Of course, they're worn. I mean, they're Carmines. I mean, nobody lets Carmine sit. These are a little bit more yellow. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. I'll let y'all later.